Good morning, students. Welcome all of you in online classes organized by our school, Little Flowers School, Madhupuram, Basti. Students, today I am going to discuss with you about various uses of synthetic and natural fibers. In today's class, we will see various uses of three synthetic fibers about nylon, rayon, and acrylic. Okay, so let's start. Students, as far as rayon is concerned, as I told you in my previous video, that rayon is the first synthetic fiber or man-made fiber which is made from a natural thing, that is wood pulp. Okay, so rayon was the first man-made fiber which was made naturally, which was made from natural occurring wood pulp. Okay, there are various uses of this rayon fiber. In textile industry to make clothes, rayon is used in textile industry very especially in making fabrics or clothes, and by blending it with wool, कारपेट्स आर मेड वुड के साथ वुल के साथ इसको ब्लेंडेड कर दिया जाता है, तब इसके कारपेट्स बनते हैं. एंड वेन एवर इट इज ब्लेंडेड विथ वुल, स्वेटर्स ऑल्सो मेड, ओके, विथ रेयन. बट sweaters are not normally made with rayon, because one more synthetic fiber we will study today, of which sweaters or woolen clothes are made. Now third point, rayon is used for making reinforced tires. Okay, it is made reinforced tires are made with the help of this rayon. Rayon is also used for making bandage and surgical dressings. Have you seen bandage? I think all of you are familiar with bandage with cotton. So cotton is natural fiber which is made from cotton balls of cotton plant, but the bandages are made from rayon. And many more surgical things like flip is also made up of this nylon. Okay, now come to second one, nylon. As I told yesterday, that the word nylon is derived from New York and London. First of all, this nylon was made at two places. Nylon was made at two places at the same time, New York and London of USA. Okay, because of this reason nylon name is given to this fiber. What are the various uses of nylon? Let's see. Fabrics and ropes are made from this nylon. Various types of fabric. So in fabric industry, first role of nylon is now in making cord of tires. This nylon is used now in making fishing net and parachute net. Nylon once again used. Fishing net, all of you know about fishing net. Now next, in making bristles of brushes. सुबह उठ के जो आप टूथ ब्रश करते हैं, उस टूथ ब्रश का जो असली वाला ब्रश है, ऊपर जो उसकी ब्रिसल्स हैं, वो ब्रिसल्स बनते हैं इस नायलॉन के, और बाकी हैंडल बना होता है प्लास्टिक का. समझ में आया जी? सो bristles of toothbrush or any other type of hairbrush also, they are made up of nylon. Now next, written here. Page number 45, open page number 45 on which these uses are written. Now, nylon is used to make saris, neckties and socks. Of course, as you know students, socks are elastic in nature. खींचने पे बढ़ते हैं socks कि नहीं बढ़ते हैं. So these socks are made up of nylon. Some saris and neckties are also made up of nylon, which is a first synthetic fiber made up of wood pulp. Okay, sorry, rayon was first synthetic fiber which was made up from wood pulp. This nylon is first man-made synthetic fiber, and nylon is made from what? It is made up of petroleum product, not wood pulp. Okay, petroleum product. Now it is elastic in nature, so it is used in elastic hosiery, and it is used in makeup of a small part of machines, like what? Like washers written here. Washer आप लोग जानते हैं, washer जो मशीन्स में आपके बाइक में आपकी कार में लगा होता है, ये वॉशर यूज़ किया जाता है. ठीक है, तो ऑल दिस थिंग्स आर मेड अप ऑफ nylon, which was first synthetic fiber discovered in New York, all of first, by petrochemicals. Now next synthetic fiber is given in your book, acrylic. Acrylic के बारे में खास बात है. Acrylic resembles wool, so it is a type of wool. Acrylic is a type of wool which is not naturally occurring. It is man-made wool-like substance, and various woolen cloths are made of this acrylic. Okay, so students, revise whatever we have studied in today's online class, and revise page number 44, 45 as I explained, and revise various uses of nylon, rayon, acrylic as we studied today. Okay, now we will meet again with a new topic of your book. Don't go away students. Okay, revise. We will meet again in next online video. Thank you class 8. Thank you.